Now, after all these four reports, let me ask a bigger question. Is America hiding the real damage or not? Yes. Here's another explosive question that is beginning to dominate the global headlines today. Did Iran cause far more damage to American military infrastructure than Washington publicly admitted? Because, as I told you earlier, that satellite analysts, they are reportedly suggesting that more than 200 US military structures and assets they were affected during Iran's attack, and that too across West Asia. It includes oil depots, aircraft shelters, etc., all reportedly showing visible signs of impact. And you know what? The problem is that this is creating political problem inside America itself. Because for years, the image of the US military supremacy, well, it is untouchable, right? But these new reports, they are refueling criticism that America's regional defenses, they may be far more vulnerable than previously believed. And if highly advanced systems like Patriot and THAAD defenses, they struggle during coordinated Iranian strike, military planners worldwide, they will study those lessons very carefully. China will study them, Russia will study them, Iran will celebrate them, and America's allies, they may quietly being asked a very uncomfortable question about long-term regional security, because modern wars, they are no longer measured only by who launches the attack. They are measured by who absorbs them better. And tonight, America is facing growing pressure to explain exactly what happened across the Gulf bases. Ladies and gentlemen, the visual reportedly showed Iranian air defenses engaging aerial targets near Qasem Island. Well, that is one of the most strategically sensitive zones near the Gulf waterways. And immediately tensions escalated again because, let's be honest, every drone incident near Hormuz, it now carries global consequences. Was it an American drone? An Israeli surveillance platform, perhaps? Basically, a mission that gone wrong. Here, Iran says its air defenses successfully intercepted the target. Though no major ground damage was reported, but the symbolism, that matters more than the wreckage itself. Iran is sending a message here. A message that it is watching the skies closely. A message that it believes foreign surveillance operation continue despite the ceasefire discussion. And a message that the Strait of Hormuz remains one of the most dangerous military flashpoints on the planet Earth. This is no longer just missile warfare. This is surveillance warfare, drone warfare, electronic warfare. In fact, psychological warfare, and every interception, it increases the risk of a larger confrontation that nobody fully controls anymore. Now, after all these four reports, let me ask a bigger question. Is America hiding the real damage or not? Yes. Here's another explosive question that is beginning to dominate the global headlines today. Did Iran cause far more damage to American military infrastructure than Washington publicly admitted?